They say strength means never breaking down. But the truth is that every tear you've shed and every moment you've whispered, "I can't do this anymore," is living proof of how strong you really are. Because only the strong keep showing up even when it hurts. And if you stay with me until the end of this video, you'll walk away with a deeper understanding of why your caregiving struggles don't define your worth, how one simple daily practice can restore your energy, and a mantra that will remind you you are enough, even on the hardest days. Before we dive deeper, if you want more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. It's free, and it ensures you never miss the tools that can completely transform your mindset. Also, check the link in the description where I share my own story, how I battled loneliness for years and finally broke free. I promise you don't want to miss that. Caring for an aging parent can feel like living two full-time lives. On one hand, you're the dependable adult holding down work, raising children, or managing daily responsibilities. On the other, you're the child-turned-caregiver, organizing doctor's appointments, worrying about medications, and carrying the quiet weight of watching someone you love grow older. It's exhausting, and sometimes it feels like no one sees the toll it takes on you. But let me tell you this, your exhaustion is not weakness, it's love in motion. It's the living proof that you are building a bridge between generations, and that bridge is held together by your sacrifice, your patience, and your heart. Here's the truth. Caregiving does not erase your identity. Too often, caregivers begin to believe they are defined only by what they give, not by who they are. But what if we flipped that perspective? What if, instead of thinking of yourself as just a caregiver, you saw yourself as part of a powerful caregiving legacy, someone who carries forward compassion, resilience, and devotion that future generations will look back on with gratitude? Your worth is not measured by how perfectly you manage every crisis. Your worth is already intact, simply because you show up again and again, even when it feels impossible. And when the guilt or the overwhelm creeps in, I want you to repeat this mantra. I am enough for all I hold, and I create space for myself to breathe. Say it when you feel the tears building. Say it when the weight of the day feels like too much. Say it until it becomes your truth. Because the reality is, you are more than enough. So remember this, caregiving isn't about losing yourself. It's about holding on to yourself while walking with those you love through their most vulnerable season. You are not failing. You are fighting for connection, dignity, and love. And that makes you extraordinary. If this message touched you today, don't carry it alone. Share it with someone else who needs this reminder. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so we can continue walking this journey together. Because you are not just a caregiver. You are a warrior of love. And you are enough.